Ang hisgotanon may tungod sa spirit o ang espiritu nga may 5 ka butang. Spirit in His person, Spirit in His symbols, Spirit in His attributes, and Spirit in His coming. Umanata sa nagunang tulo, which is Spirit in His person, Spirit in His symbols, and Spirit in His attributes. Karon, muanhin nata sa Spirit in His coming, nga may 5 ka mga butang ang gihisgutan. Una, to John the Baptist, filling him economically for power. Sumala sa Luke 1:15. Ikaduha, to Mary, the mother of Jesus, to overshadow her for the conceiving of Jesus. Sumala sa Luke 1:35. Ikatulo, to Jesus Christ, as the divine essence for the conceiving and birth of Jesus. Sumala sa Luke 1:35 and Matthew 1:18-20. O ikaduha, as the divine power for the anointing of Christ. Mala sa Matthew 3:16. Ikaapat, to the sense in the transitional period between Christ's incarnation and resurrection. To Elizabeth, filling her economically. Sumala sa Luke 1:41-43. To Zechariah, filling him economically. Sumala sa Luke 1:67-69. To Simeon, being upon him, filling him economically. Sumala sa Luke 2:25b-27a, 29-34. Ikalima, to the New Testament believers. So as far as the New Testament believers, doon ay duha. Essentially, for their spiritual life and being. O ikaduha, economically for their spiritual ministry and work. As far as essentially is concerned, for their spiritual life and being. So the Spirit essentially asked of the Father by the Son. Sumala sa John 14:16-17. Given by the Father. Sumala sa John 14:16b, Luke 11:13. Sent in the Son's name by the Father. Sumala sa John 14:26. Sent from with the Father by the Son. Sumala sa John 15:26. Given by the Son. Sumala sa John 3:34, John 14:16b, and Luke 11:13. The Son as the last Adam becoming the Spirit. Sumala sa 1 Corinthians 15:45. Breath into the believers by the Son in resurrection. Sumala sa John 20:21. As the ultimate consummation of the process triune God, supplied to the believers by God, as the blessing of the gospel of His New Testament economy. Sumala sa Galatians 3:5-14. Received by the believers. Sumala sa Galatians 3:2. The Spirit economically for their spiritual ministry and work. Promised by God the Father. Sumala sa Acts 2:17-18. Promised by the Son, referring to the Father's promise. Sumala sa Luke 24:49 and Acts 1:5-8. Received from the Father and poured out upon the believers by Christ in His ascension. Sumala sa Acts 2:33. Busa ang isgotanan may tungod sa Espiritu. Sa ikaapat nga in His coming, dunay 5 ka mga butang ang gisgutan. Daygon ang atong Ginoo.